exercise 5.3, chapter 5, arithmetic progressions. So going the first questions in this, we have to find out the sum of the following given Earpiece. So find the sum of the following Earpiece. The first one is 2, 7, 12, so on to 10 terms. So here our n is equal to nothing but 10. So how do we find out this? We'll just go into the problem and see. So in this problem we're having a solution. In this a is equal to 2, d is equal to, that is the common difference, is equal to second term minus the first term, that is equal to 5. Then you have n is equal to 10. So we have a formula for finding out the sum of n terms of an AP, nothing but equal to Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn is equal to 10 by 2 into 2 into 2 plus 10 minus 1 into 5. So I've just substituted the values. So this will become 5 into 4 plus 9 into 5, which is equal to 5 into 4 plus 45, which is equal to 5 into 49, which is equal to 245 is the answer. So hence the sum of the first 10 terms of the given AP is, hence the sum of the first 10 terms of the given AP is equal to 245. So going into the second one, second problem is minus 37 minus 33 minus 29 to 12 terms. So in this, what all are given, we'll just see. So here we having a is equal to minus 37 and common difference d is equal to minus 33 minus of minus 37, which is equal to minus 33 plus 37, which is equal to 4. N is equal to 12. So now substituting in this, what do we get? We'll just see. So here we know that Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here n is nothing but 12 by 2 into 2 into minus 37 plus 12 minus 1. You can write this as S12 also, because n you are substituting here. Sum of 12 terms, the first 12 terms of an AP, into 4. So what are we going to get? 6 into minus 37 into 2 is minus 74 plus 44. So which is equal to 6 into minus 30, which is equal to minus 180. So sum of the first 12 terms, hence the sum of the first 12 terms of the given AP is equal to minus 180. So in going to the third problem, what's the third problem? We'll see. It is 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, so on to 100 terms. So now the terms also have increased. So what is it equal to? We'll just see. A is equal to 0.6, d is equal to 1.7 minus 0.6, which is equal to 1.1, the common difference, and n is equal to 100. So we know that Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now substituting all those values in this, S100 is equal to 100 by 2 into a is 0.6 plus 100 minus 1 into 1.1. So which is equal to 50 into 2 into 0.6 is 1.2 plus 99 into 1.1. So which is equal to 50 into 1.2 plus 99 into 1.1 is equal to 108.9, which is equal to 50 into 110.1, which is equal to 5505. That's the answer, 0.0. So you no need to take that point. So therefore hence the sum of the first 100 terms of the given AP is equal to 5505. Then going into the fourth one, 1 by 15, 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10, so on to 11 terms. So A is equal to 1 by 15. The common difference is equal to 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15, which is equal to, okay, it is 5 minus, you are having the LCM as 60, so which is equal to 1 by 60, and n is equal to 11. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, which is equal to S11, which equal to 11 by 2 into 1 by 15 plus n minus 1 is 11 minus 1 into d is nothing but 1 by 60. So which is equal to 11 by 2 into 2 by 15 plus here 10 into 1 by 60. So you're getting here 1 by 6, which is equal to 11 by 2 into, so it is equal to 11 by 2 into 9 by 30. It is equal to 11 by 2 into 9 by 30 means 3 3s are 3 10s are 33 by 20. Hence the sum of first 11 terms of the given AP is equal to 33 by 20. This is the answer. Next one. Second question. Find the sums given below. First one, 7 plus 10, 1 by 2 plus 14 plus so on plus 84. So solution for this is A is equal to 7, D is equal to 21 by 2 minus 7, which is equal to 21 minus 14 by 2, which is equal to 7 by 2. And we are also given the last term, that is an is given to us. An is equal to 84. So therefore we have here we have to find out what is n over here. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Then we have to find out what is the sum of the given n terms after finding out n. So an is 84 is equal to 7 plus n minus 1 into 7 by 2, which implies that 84 minus 7 is equal to n minus 1 into 7 by 2. So which is equal to so 22 is equal to n minus 1. Here we are having 84 minus 7 is equal to 77, which is equal to n minus 1 into 7 by 2. So bringing this 7 by 2 to the other side, you're getting 2 by 7. So you're getting n is equal to 23. N is equal to 23. So now how to find out S23? We'll see S23 is equal to, or Sn formula first time writing, is equal to n by 2 into a plus 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula. So S23 is equal to 23 by 2 into what is the first term we are having? A is equal to 7 plus, you also have this as the formula is given as Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l, also is this one. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l, which is equal to S23 is equal to 23 by 2 into a is nothing but 7 plus l is nothing but an is equal to 84. This is also given to us. So you're having 23 by 2 into 84 plus 11 plus 7 is nothing but 91. So which is equal to 2093 divided by 2, which is equal to 10461 by 2. So going in the second problem, what's the second problem? We'll see. Here it is equal to 34 plus 32 plus 30 plus so on plus 10 . So the second one is 34 plus 32 plus 30 plus so on up to 10. So in this problem we have a is the first term, which is equal to 34. D is the common difference, which is equal to 32 minus 34, which is equal to minus 2. An is equal to 10, which is also equal to L. So we know that An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into D. So substituting this, we'll get the value of n in this. So here 10 is equal to 34 plus n minus 1 into what is L? 10. So therefore, common differences to the common difference, which is equal to minus 2. So therefore you are getting it as, here it becomes 10 minus 34 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 2. Step 10 minus 34 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 2. So this becomes minus 24, which is equal to n minus 1 into minus 2. Now dividing it by minus 2 on both sides, you get minus 24 by minus 2 is equal to n minus 1. So minus minus will get cancelled. 2 12s are 24. So n minus 1 is equal to 12, which implies that n is equal to L plus 1, which is equal to 13. So now we can find out the sum of these 13 terms. That is Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus L. So S13 is equal to 13 by 2 into, what's our A? A is 34 plus 10, the L is 10. So therefore this is equal to 13 by 2 into 44. So this becomes 222, sir, which is equal to 13 into 22, which is equal to 286. So this is the sum of 13 terms of a AP, of the given AP. Next one. So third one, we are having minus 5 plus minus 8 plus minus 11 plus so on up till minus 230 is the last term. So which term is this minus 230? We have to see. It's going up to 230 is a very huge number. Actually it's smaller, but when you are going on adding minus 3 minus 3, it comes to which term we have to see. So now here A is equal to minus 5, D is equal to minus 8 of minus 5, which is equal to minus 8 plus 5, which is equal to minus 3, and here an is equal to minus 230. So therefore an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here you don't know what is n. So we have here an as minus 230 is equal to minus 5 plus of n minus 1 into minus 3. So it becomes minus 230 plus 5 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3, which is minus 225 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. So dividing by minus 3 on both sides, you get minus 225 divided by minus 3 is equal to n minus 1. So minus minus will get cancelled. 3 7s are 3 5s are. So n minus 1 is equal to 75. N is equal to 75 plus 1, which is equal to 76. So 76 term is minus 230. So now we have to find out what is the sum of these 76 terms. So Sn is equal to, definitely will get in negative because all are negatives. N by 2 into a plus L, we are taking this formula. So S76 is equal to 76 by 2 into A is how much? Here we got A as minus 5 plus L is how much? Minus 230. So which is equal to 76 by 2 into minus 235. So 2 3s are 2 8s are 16. So 38 into minus 235 is equal to minus of 8930. S76 is equal to so much. Now in question 3, what we have in an AP, we have 10 under this. So the first one is given A is equal to 5, D is equal to 3, An is equal to 50, find N and Sn. So we have to find this problem. So solution for this is, we know that An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So we are given An as 50 is equal to 5 plus n minus 1 into 3. I just substitute the values given in the problem. So 50 minus 5 is equal to n minus 1 into 3. So 45 is equal to n minus 1 into 3, which implies that here you are going to get it as 45 by 3 is equal to n minus 1. So which implies that 3 15s are is equal to n minus 1. So therefore which implies n is equal to 16. This is the first one which you are getting. And here what is S16 also we have to find out. S16 is nothing but n by 2 into A plus L. This L is nothing but here our An is also known as, An is also equal to L, which is equal to 50. So our first term is 5 plus 16 by 2 into 5 plus 50, which is equal to 8 into 55 So 8 5 is a 40, 8 5 is a 44, 440 you get it. S16 is equal to 440. Now what is the second one? We're going to given A12 is equal to 37, D is equal to 3, find A and S12. We have to find out what is S12. Here D is already given to us in this. No, we have to find out I wrote the third given A is equal to 7, A13 is equal to 35, and we have to find here D and S13. So now here you have the formula in the second one. A is equal to 7 and A13 is equal to 35. So now from this we have to find out what is the common difference also. So we'll put it in this and see what we are going to get. So An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. N is equal to A13 because A13 is given to us. So therefore 35 is equal to 7 plus 13 minus 1 into D. So which implies that your 35 minus 7 is equal to 13 minus 1 into D, which implies 28 is equal to 12D. So which implies D is equal to 28 by 12, which is equal to 4 7s are 4 3s are. So 7 by 3 we are going to get this. D is equal to therefore S13 is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D, which is equal to 13 by 2 into 2 into 7 plus 13 minus 1 into 7 by 3. So which is equal to 13 by 2 into 14 plus 12 into 7 by 3. So 3 1s are 3 4s are. So you're going to get it as 13 by 2 into 14 plus 28, which is equal to 13 by 2 into 42. So 2 1s are 21s are. So which is equal to 13 into 21, which is equal to 273. Therefore D is equal to 7 by 3 and S13 is equal to 273. Now going into the next, that is the third problem. Given A12 is equal to 37, D is equal to 3, find D and S12. Find A and S12. Because D is given as 3, we have to find A and S12. So An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Substituting the values of those, we are having n is equal to 12. So An is nothing but A12, which is equal to 37. So 37 is equal to A plus 12 minus 1 into 3. D is 3. So here you are getting 37 is equal to A plus 11 into 3, which is equal to 37 is equal to A plus 33. So which implies that A is equal to 37 minus 33, which is equal to 4. So therefore we got A is equal to 4. Now Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus or a plus l also we are having. You are having two formulas, 2a plus n minus 1 into D into n by 2, or it is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. We know what is L. L is nothing but A12. So therefore n by 12 by 2 into 4 plus 37, which is equal to 12 by 2 into 41. 2 6 are here if you cancelling. So 6 into 41 1 is equal to 246. Therefore, A is equal to 4 and S12 is equal to 246. Then going into the next, that is the fourth one. Given A3 is equal to 15, S10 is equal to 120. Find D and A10. So now here again we'll use, we are given that A3 is equal to 15 and S10 is equal to 120. So we'll write down what is A3 equal to, then what is S10 equal to. A3 is equal to A plus 2D we can write down. So therefore that is equal to, we get it as Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore S10 is equal to 10 by 2 into 2 into a plus 10 minus 1 into d. So here you are having it is equal to 120 is equal to 5 into 2a plus 9d. So now 120 divided by 5 we can do. 2a plus 9d is equal to 120 divided by 5, which is equal to 24. Then 2a plus 9d is equal to 24. This is the first equation which we are having. Now we also have that a3 is equal to 15. So therefore you can write this as a plus 2d is equal to 15, which you can write this as second equation. Therefore solving equation 1 and equation 2 we get 2a plus 9d is equal to 24 and a plus 2d is equal to 15. So we can multiply this equation with 2. So you get 2a plus 4d is equal to 30. So we multiplied equation 2 with 2. So we are getting this. And then subtract from the first one. So what do we get? You put minus, you subtract. So minus minus minus. You get 2a minus 2a is 0. 9d minus 4d is 5d. And 24 minus 30 is minus 6. So d is equal to minus 6 by 5. We got this as d value. So a plus 2d is equal to 15. So in the place of d we can write it as minus 6 by 5, which is equal to 15. So a minus 12 by 5 is equal to 15, or a is equal to 15 plus 12 by 5. So which is equal to 75 plus 12 by 5 by taking the LCM, which is equal to 87 by 5. This is the value of a. So now a10 is equal to a plus 9d, which is equal to 87 by 5 plus 9 into minus 6 by 5. So which is equal to 87 by 5 minus 54 by 5. So which is equal to 33 by 5. So we got a10 as equal to 33 by 5. Now d is equal to minus 6 by 5, a10 is equal to 33 by 5. So fifth one is given d is equal to 5, s9 is equal to 75. Find a and a9. So we have to find out what is the first term. Now from this solution, we are given d is equal to 5, s9 is equal to 75. We are having sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So s9 we are having, so we can write it as s9 is equal to 9 by 2 into 2a plus 9 minus 1 into d means it's 5. So S9 is nothing but 75. So which is equal to 9 by 2 into 2a plus 40. 8 5s are 40. So we take 2 by 9 the other side. You get it as 150 by 9 is equal to 2a plus 40. If you take out 2 common, or you bring 40 this side, or you can take out 2 common. 3 3s are 350s are. So 2a is equal to 50 by 3 minus 40, which is equal to 50 minus 120 by 3, which is equal to minus 70 divided by 3. So a is equal to minus 70 by 6. So we got the first term now, and now we have to find out which is equal to, you can bring it into smaller terms, that is minus 35 by 3. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we have to find out a9, which is equal to minus 35 by 3 plus 9 minus 1 into 5. So which is equal to minus 35 by 3 into 40. So minus 35 plus 120 divided by 3, which is equal to 85 by 3. So therefore a is equal to minus 35 by 3 and a9 is equal to 85 by 3. Now going to the next, sixth one. Given a is equal to 2, d is equal to 8, Sn is equal to 90, find n and d. The d is already there, isn't it? So solution. Solution Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is 90 is equal to n by 2 into 2 plus n minus 1 into 8. So you are getting here, it is equal to 180 is equal to n into 4 plus 8n minus 8 in brackets. So 180 is equal to n into 8n minus 4. So 180 is equal to 8n square minus 4n. So divide throughout by 4, you are going to get it as 2n square minus n minus 45 is equal to 0. So therefore we are getting it as n can be 45 into 2 is 90. So 10 and 9 are the factors here. Minus 10n plus 9n will give you n. So therefore 2n, if you take out common, n minus 5 plus 9 into n minus 5, which is equal to 0. So which implies 2n plus 9 into n minus 5 is equal to 0. N is equal to 5 or n is equal to minus 9 by 5. Minus 9 by 2. But number of terms cannot be negative. So therefore we can take n is equal to 5. Now we have to find out what is a5. So now a5, but the number of terms cannot be negative. So n is equal to 5. Therefore a5 is equal to a plus 4d, which is equal to 2 plus 4 into 8. So 2 plus 32, which is equal to 34. That's the answer. we had to find out n and an. That is a5, which is equal to 34, not d. Okay. So now next, going into the next one, seventh one. A is equal to 8. In the question sometimes there is a printing mistake. So according to the question textbook problem only I have taken. So in the previous problem we had to find out n and an, that is a5. Now here it is given a is equal to 8, an is equal to 62, sn is equal to 210, find n and d. So now here you are having a is equal to 8 means an is equal to 62 and sn is equal to 210. You substitute them, you will get two equations. From that you can solve for n and d. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So which is 62 is equal to 8 plus n minus 1 into d, which implies 62 minus 8 is equal to n minus 1 into d. That implies that you are going to get this as 54 is equal to n minus 1 into d. Take it as the first equation. Next, Sn. What is Sn? We'll see. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So which is 210 is equal to n by 2 into 2 into 8 plus n minus 1 into d. So 210, if you cross multiply here, you will get 2 into 410 is 420 is equal to n into 16 plus n minus 1 into d, the second equation. So in the place of n minus 1 into d, we have it as 54. We'll substitute that in this. So which implies from equation 1 and equation 2, we get 420 is equal to n into 16 plus 54. So 16 plus 54 is equal to 70n, which implies n is equal to 420 by 70, which is equal to 7 6 or 40. So it is 6. N is equal to 6. Now putting this value of n in equation 1, we get 54 is equal to 6 minus 1 plus into d. So which implies that 5d is equal to 54, which implies d is equal to 54 by 5. So hence n is equal to 6 and d is equal to 54 by 5. Now next, what is the eighth problem here? We'll see. Given an is equal to 4, d is equal to 2, sn is equal to 14 minus 14. We know that an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So we substitute these values whatever given for us to find the unknown. We have an and sn also given. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. That is 4 is equal to a plus n minus 1 into 2. So you are going to get it as 4 is equal to a plus 2n minus 2. So bring 2 this side. A plus 2n is equal to 6. Getting this as the first equation. Next equation is, now we have Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So which is equal to minus 14 is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into 2, that is d is 2. So minus 14 is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus 2n minus 2. So if we take out 2 common throughout, so minus 14 is equal to 2n by 2 into a plus n minus 1 into n minus 1. So 2 will get cancelled over here. So now you are getting minus 14 is equal to a plus n minus 1. So now taking this as equation 2, we have from equation 1 a is equal to 6 minus 2n. So we substitute that 6 minus 2n in equation 2. So here if you are taking this into the equation 2, what will we get? So substituting the value of a in equation 2, we are getting minus 14 is equal to n into 6 minus 2n plus n minus n into n. Okay, minus 1 into n. So here you can take this as 5 minus n into n is equal to minus 14. So bringing all the values to one side, what are we getting? The final equation as 5n minus n square minus 14 is equal to 0, because we are bringing all of them this side, 14. So now you can write it as n square minus 5n minus 14 is equal to 0, because n square should be first and it should be positive. We are making it positive, so dividing throughout by n minus sign. So you are getting that n square minus 5n minus 14 is equal to 0, n square minus 7n plus 2n minus 14 is equal to 0. Here you are getting it as n into n minus 7 plus 2 into n minus 7. So n plus 2 into n minus 7 is equal to 0. N is equal to 7 or n is equal to minus 2. So but n cannot be negative, therefore n is equal to 7. Putting this value of n in equation 1, we get a is equal to 6 minus 2n, or a plus 2n is equal to 6. So a plus 2 into 7 is equal to 6, which is a is equal to 6 minus 14, which is equal to minus 8. Now the ninth one, in this you have a is equal to 3, n is equal to 8, and Sn is equal to 192. So we know that Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We have to find d in this case. So Sn is equal to 192. So what is Sn formula? I will write down n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So which is equal to Sn is equal to n by 2 into what is a? 2 into 3 plus n minus 1 into d. So which is equal to 192 is equal to 4 into 6 plus 8d, I'm sorry, 7d. 8 minus 1 is 7. So therefore now if you substitute, you cancel or whatever can be cancelled. So you are getting it as 7d is equal to 48 minus 6. So that is 48 minus 6 is 42. So d is equal to 42 by 7, which is equal to 6. So we got here d is equal to 6, and that's the answer. Next one, 10th one, given L is equal to 28, S is equal to 144, N is equal to 9. Find what is the first term, that is A. So An is equal to L, that's the last term. So L is equal to how much is given? It's given as 28. So L is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, where L is equal to nothing but AN. So 28 is equal to A plus 9 minus 1 into D. So 28 is equal to A plus 8D. This is the first equation. Now Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So which implies this is 144 is equal to 9 by 2 into 2a plus 8d. So 288 is equal to 9 into a plus 8d. So 288 by 9 is equal to 2a plus 8d. So 288 by 9 is equal to 32. Is equal to 2 into a plus 4d. So therefore 32 divided by 2 is nothing but 16 is equal to a plus 4d. Now we have to solve 1 and 2. Solving equation 1 and equation 2. We will get the values of a and d also. A plus 4d is equal to 16. A plus 8d is equal to 28. Now subtract. You are going to get it as minus 4d is equal to minus 12. So d is equal to 12 by 4, which is equal to 3. So now what is a? We'll see. A plus 8d is equal to 28. A plus 8 into 3 is equal to 28. A is equal to 28 minus 24, which is equal to 4. So 4 is the answer. The value of a is nothing but 4. Now fourth one. How many terms of the AP 9, 17, 25 must be taken to give a sum of 636? Must be taken to give a sum of 636. So solution: A is equal to 9. D is equal to 17 minus 9, and Sn is equal to 636. We know that Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 636 is equal to n by 2 into 2 into 9 plus n minus 1 into 8. So which is equal to n by 2 into 18 plus 8 into n minus 1. So which is equal to n into 9 plus 4n minus 4. So which is equal to n into 5 plus 4n, which is equal to 5n plus 4n square. 5 plus 4n, and which is equal to 5n plus 4n square. So 636 is equal to 5n plus 4n square. Bring everything to one side. Using quadratic formula, that is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So here what is b square minus 4ac, we will see first. So we will just directly substitute. B square is nothing but 5 into 5, that is 25, minus 4 into AC means it is 4 into 4 into minus 3, 636 divided by 2a means 2 into 4. So therefore you are getting it as minus 5 plus or minus root of 25 plus 10176 by 8. So which is equal to minus 5 plus or minus root of 101 by 8. So which is equal to 96 by 8 or minus 106 by 8, which is equal to 12 comma minus 53 by 4. Since the number of terms cannot be negative, n is equal to the positive value, that is 12. Hence the number of terms is equal to 12. Hence the number of terms is equal to 12. The fifth problem. What's the fifth problem? Let's see. The first term of an AP is 5. The last term is 45 and the sum is 400. Find the number of terms and the common difference. Find the number of terms and the common difference, that is n and d we have to find out here. So solution, you're having here a is equal to 5, the last term is equal to 45, the sum of the n terms is equal to 400. Now we know that S is equal to n by 2 into a plus L. We don't know what is n, so we'll find out n over here. S is 400, n by 2 into 5 plus 45, which is equal to 800 is equal to n into 50. So n is equal to 800 by 50, which is equal to 16. So next, L is equal to, you also know that L is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. From this we can find out what is the common difference. Therefore, L is how much over here? It is equal to 45 is equal to 5 plus 16 minus 1 into d. So 45 minus 5 is equal to 15d, or here 40 is equal to 15d. D is equal to 40 by 15, which is equal to 8 by 3. So therefore we have n is equal to 16 and d is equal to 8 by 3. Now going into the sixth one, the first and the last term of an AP are 17 and 350 respectively. If the common difference is 9, how many terms are there and what is their sum, and what is their sum. So solution, here we have a is equal to 17, L is equal to 350, D is equal to 9. We know that L is equal to a plus n minus 1 into D, which implies that 350 is equal to 17 plus n minus 1 into 9. So which implies that 350 minus 17 is equal to n minus 1 into 9, which implies 333 is equal to n minus 1 into 9, which implies 333 divided by 9 is equal to n minus 1. So which implies that n minus 1 is equal to 37 plus n is equal to 37 plus 1, which is equal to 38. So hence there are 28 terms. N minus 1 is equal to 37, which implies that n is equal to 37 plus 1 is equal to 38. Hence there are 38 terms. So now Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus L. Therefore S38 is equal to 38 by 2 into a is how much? 17 plus 350, which is equal to 19 into 367, which is equal to 6973. So S38 is nothing but 6973. Now going into the 7th problem, the first and the last terms of an AP are 17 and 350 respectively. If the common difference is 9, how many terms are there and what is their sum? So now your solution for this is, it is given that a is equal to 17, L is equal to 350, D is the common difference is equal to 9. Therefore we have that L is equal to 350 means An is equal to 350, which is a plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 350. That is An is equal to L. So therefore you having a as 17 plus n minus 1 into 9 is equal to 350, or n minus 1 into 9 is equal to 350 minus 17. So n minus 1 into 9 is equal to 350 minus 17 is nothing but it is equal to 333. So therefore n minus 1 is equal to 333 divided by 9, which is equal to 37. So n is equal to 37 plus 1, which is equal to 38. So Sn is equal to, it is as the same as 6th problem. Both the problems are the same. Okay, anyhow we finished it. So in my textbook it's given both the problems are the same. So therefore S38 is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, which is equal to nothing but 38 by 2 into 2 into 17 plus 38 minus 1 into d is 9. So which is equal to 19 into 14, 34 plus 37 into 9. So which is equal to 19 into 34 plus 333, which is equal to 19 into 367, which is equal to 6973. So both the problems are looking the same. They are same actually, because here also in 6th problem also it's given 17 and 350 the first term, and the last term even in the 7th one it's given the same. The common difference is also 9, so they both are the same. Okay, going into the 8th one, what is the 8th one? We'll see. Find the sum of, in my textbook it's given in that way, find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. So solution over here. So you are given that A is equal to sum of first 51 terms. So here A2 is given, the second and the third term A2 and A3 are given as 14 and 18, and you are having the number of terms is equal to 51. So the common difference is equal to A3 minus A2, which is equal to 18 minus 4, which is equal to 4. So now we have the second term, third term, D. So can we find out what is the first term? Therefore A2 is equal to A plus D. So here we have what is D. A2 is nothing but 14 is equal to A plus of 4. So A is equal to 14 minus 4, which is equal to 10. This is the first term. So therefore we know that the sum of n terms is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So here S51, because we having n is equal to 51, S51 is equal to 51 by 2 into 10 plus 51 minus 1 into what is D over here? D is nothing but 4. So into 4. So which is equal to 51 by 2 into 20 plus 50 into 4. So which is equal to 51 by 2 into 20 plus 200, which is 220. So 51 by 2 into 220. So you'll get it as 110. So 110 into 51 is 5610. Next, going into the ninth problem. What's the ninth one? We'll see. If the sum of 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of 17 terms is 289 and that of 17 terms is 289, find the sum of n terms. Find the sum of n terms. So we have to find out the sum of 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of 17 terms is 289. We have to find out what is the sum of n terms. Okay. So now here we have to find first solution. We are given here S7 is equal to 49 and S17 is equal to 289. So let A be the first term and D the common difference. So we know that Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Therefore Sn is equal to S7 is equal to 7 by 2 into 2A plus 7 minus 1 into D. So which is equal to S7 is nothing but 49 is equal to 7 by 2 into 2A plus 6D, or here you are getting it as, if you take out 2 common over here, 49 is equal to 7 by 2 into 2 common. If you take A plus 3D you are going to get, so 2 will get cancelled. Now 49 by 7 is equal to A plus 3D. So therefore we are having A plus 3D is equal to 7 is the first equation we can consider. Now next, second one, we are going to find out A and D over here first. So you are having that S17 is equal to 17 by 2 into 2a plus 17 minus 1 into d. So which is equal to S17 is 289, which is equal to 17 by 2 into 2a plus 16d. So which is equal to 17 by 2 into 2 into a plus 8d. So 2 will get cancelled over here. 289. 289 by 17 is equal to a plus 8d, or 17. So a plus 8d is equal to 17. This is the second equation. Now we will solving equation 1 and equation 2. We get a plus 3d is equal to 7 is the first one, and a plus 8d is equal to 17 is the second one. So now you subtract both of them, you're getting this cancel. 3d minus 8d is minus 5d equal to 10. So d is equal to minus 10 by minus 5, which is equal to 2. So now putting this value in one of the equation, putting this value of d in equation 1, we get, you know that a plus 3d is equal to 7. So a plus 3 into 2 is equal to 7. So therefore a is equal to 7 minus 6, which is equal to 1. So here you got that a is 1 and d is 2. So now Sn, what is Sn equal to? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So which is equal to n by 2 into 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into 2. d is 2, isn't it? So which is equal to n by 2 into 2 plus 2n minus 2. So 2 minus 2 and plus 2 will get cancelled. N by 2 into 2n. So nn will cancel. The answer is n square. So we are getting it as Sn is equal to n square is the answer. Now going in the 10th one, show that a1, a2, so on, an, so on, form an AP where an is defined as below. In the first case, we have an is equal to 3 plus 4n. an is equal to 3 plus 4n, and the second one we have an is equal to 9 minus 5n. an is equal to 9 minus 5n. So also find the sum of first 25 terms the first one and 15 terms in the second case. So in the first case we are going to find it out differently, and the second case we are going to find it out differently. In the same way, we have to find out for 15 terms in the second case the sum, and the first case sum of 25 terms. Now solution for the first one, what we have, we'll just see. First one, it is given that an is equal to 3 plus 4n. So we'll put the value of n as 1. What is n? A1, A2, A3. Okay, so A1 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 1, which is equal to 3 plus 4, which is equal to 7. A2 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 2, which is equal to 3 plus 8, which is 11. Then A3 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 3, which is equal to 3 plus 12, which is equal to 15. So now we have the following numbers. Now we have the following numbers 7, 11, 15 and so on. Since the difference between each pair of consecutive terms are constant, since the difference between each pair of consecutive terms are constant, so the given numbers form an AP. The given numbers forms an AP. Here we have A is equal to 7, D is equal to 4, N is equal to 15. So we know that Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So therefore we have S25 is equal to, we have to find out the sum of the first 25 terms. So what we are going to get, we'll see, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So we substitute here, in this. So 25 minus 1 into 4. So which is equal to 25 by 2 into 14 plus 24 into 4, which is equal to 25 by 2 into 14 plus 96, which is equal to 25 by 2 into 110. So which is equal to, you can cancel out this 55. So 25 into 55 is equal to 1375 is the answer. Sum of the first 25 terms of an AP. Okay, now what is given the second one, we'll see. It is given that an is equal to 9 minus 5n. So it is given that an is equal to 9 minus 5n. So an is equal to 9 minus 5 into 1, which is equal to 9 minus 5, which is equal to 4. A2 is equal to 9 minus 5 into 2, which is equal to 9 minus 10, which is equal to minus 1. A3 is equal to 9 minus 5 into 3, which is equal to 9 minus 15, equal to minus 6. So now we have the following numbers. So here 4, minus 1, minus 6, next you will get minus 11 and so on. So since the difference between difference between each pair of consecutive terms is constant. So the given numbers form an AP. Here A is equal to 4, D is equal to -5, and N is equal to 15. So we have that Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So therefore S, we have to find out 15 terms. N is nothing but 15 here, which is equal to 15 by 2 into 4 plus 15 minus 1 into -5. So which is equal to 15 by 2 into 8 plus 14 into -5, which is equal to 15 by 2 into 8 minus of 70, which is equal to 15 by 2 into -62. So it's equal to 2 3s are 1s, so you're going to get 15 into -31, which is equal to, so we have it as 15 by 2 into 8 minus 70, which is equal to 15 by 2 into -62. 15 into -31 is equal to -465. The next 10 problems will be done in the next video, because this only is taking more time. So watching big videos also, I split it into, because it's a big video, I split it into 2 halves.